Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna play Minecraft and we're gonna go play Minecraft with the mood Five Nights at Freddy's mood. Okay, that's it now. So I'm in Five Nights at Freddy's mood, and you know now I'm in Five Nights at Freddy's Studios. So it is my name is, you know my name is Spike Pirate. So you can see now I'm a pirate. So let's see what we have today. This is my mood. I put it in a mood. It's gonna be so awesome mood. Great. The mood ever. Let's put the spider. Let's see how it looks like. Still looks the same with the spider. So let's put the squid. Oh, that's you, squid. What the? Looks so creepy. Okay. Enderman. You still looks the same. Great. Okay, so now, oh god, look what we have today. A nice weapon. How about Big Man? He still looks the same, man. Okay. What is this? Iron sword? Out of order. Oh yeah, I know. I'm killing with this. Okay, let's go to the Five Nights. So let's get started. Until night. I don't know, whatever. Looks like so darker. So darker. Can't you see anything? I can't. Oh god damn. Sorry. It's me, battery low. Sorry, out of order. Look at him. He's so freaking of me. That's me. Wait. Yes. Yeah. Everything goes wrong. Where's my face? Jesus, where is my face? Stop. Can't you open? Okay. So that was all your mood today. So yeah, that was all our mood today. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video and the mood, because I just wanted to make a video of this mood so you always know about the look. This is the photos of everything. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will continue to play Minecraft, and I will survive. Bye. Because my battery is low now. Duck you, battery. Okay.